I know I'm looking very funny, but I just did this look for a few funny videos on TikTok. And yeah, I'm going to remove all this makeup and I'm going to show you my honest, unedited skincare routine. So yeah, let's get started. So before we begin, we are going to sanitize our hands. अब पूछना मत कौन सा सैनिटाइज़र है, यू कैन यूज़ एनी सैनिटाइज़र, बट मेरा कुछ ना बी फार्मास सम लोकल ब्रांड्स, आई डोंट नो. So the first thing we're going to do is remove my lens, okay? That's very important. Also, you need to change the lens water every day if you guys were not aware. I just like changed it before I was like shooting this video. Before, I mean, I planned to shoot this video. Yeah, so I'm done removing my lens, and the next thing I use is the Rice Water Bright cleansing oil. You can see I've already finished half of the bottle because that's how much I love this cleansing oil. And एक बार ये ख़त्म हो जाएगा ना, I'm gonna restock this. It's so funny. You need to press it like for 2 seconds, even like for your lips, your eyes, your face, and then just remove it this way. Use the other side. Yeah. Now let's remove the eye makeup. ये बहुत जलता है हाँ, if it goes in the eyes, मतलब it's not like the other cleansing milk or something. It burns a lot if it goes, so you have to be very careful. सब धुंधला धुंधला हो गया. 1 second guys. Yeah. So I'm just cleaning off all the makeup. Don't forget to take off your makeup from your neck and ears as well. Done. So the next thing I use is this face wash, Rice Water Bright face wash. I either use this or the Dr. Belmoon one that's inside. I will link it in the description below. So either this or that. And मेरे पापा आ गए थे पीछे side to turn off the video. So yeah, this is the face wash I use. You have to take a little bit, just this much, and wash your face. I'll just wash my face and I'll quickly come back. So yeah, face wash done. You don't have to rub your face with this, you just need to dab it this way. Okay guys, so after this I use this moisturizer, I mean the night cream, Soltrees. This is one of the best. Like जब मेरे को काफ़ी सारे pimples हो गए थे, like when I had a lot of pimples on my face, and I had to follow a fixed skincare routine. So I used to use the Shang Basam powder, and in the night when I used to wash it off, I make sure that I used this. This is one of my favorite moisturizer. Like I even called Grub Mode I think yesterday or day before, and I was recommending her to use this moisturizer. Like the other moisturizer I would recommend is I think the Face Shops one. It's the best, like it's the best thing you can invest on. But yeah, this is I think around 650 rupees. so you guys can check this out. See, you guys can see. I mean, I've still left, I mean, half bottle, but I'm gonna definitely restock this. So yeah, a little bit. Oops. And you got to massage it upwards. Just like massage it for like 2 minutes. And then the last thing I use is the Nivea lip balm. I mean, it's not that great. It's the Nivea lip balm is not that great. I mean, it doesn't really does the job. But I don't have any other lip balm as of now, so I'm using this. My lips generally chap a lot, so I really need a good lip balm. So yeah, so this is all I do. I apply the Sultry night cream. I would highly recommend you to invest on that, because it's one of my favorite moisturizer, even when I had a lot of acne and everything, but I use this moisturizer. And now I'm gonna just oil my hair, because tomorrow I'm gonna wash my hair. So I'm just gonna apply this and I'm done. I'll quickly go near the mirror and show you guys the moisturizer effect. 1 minute. Yeah. See, it's so nice, and you get like even that glow, and it's quite moisturizing as well. Also, I forgot to mention one thing, that you need to drink loads and loads of water. That's really important. I know many of you would have told this, but yeah, this really helps and you will stay hydrated as well. Okay, so this is done. Stay home and stay safe. Bye. Good night.